Everyone, my name is Elson. Today I'm going to show to you what is the glow in dark t-shirt. Over here I have prepared one example of my t-shirt which has already printed with glow in dark sticker. Come, let's take a look. Okay, right now my design basically is in white and you can see it doesn't glow yet. Okay, how to make it glow? Very simple. Let me bring this shirt and expose it under the sunlight for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, I start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's bring it back. Okay, let's see. You can see my shirt right now is still not glow. Why? Because my environment is still bright. Okay, let me close my curtain to see any kind of changes. Okay. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, what you can see right now, my initial white now has turned it to blue. Okay, basically this is what glow in dark means. Glow in dark, the first requirement is you have to expose it under the sunlight or any kind of the light resources, the room light. The brighter, the time will be shorter for you to expose it. Thank you for watching.